Hello teacher friends, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I am MrsPTarleton. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified each week when I upload new videos to help you in the classroom. Now, we are now back in person teaching. I'm so excited. Coming up next week is back to school night. I have it all planned out. It was absolutely perfect. In my classroom, what I do in person is stations. I set this up several years back because I have my students working in groups anyways at stations all around the room. It made sense to have the parents kind of go through that same rotation. So I post my stations around the room. Parents just go from station to station, skip around stations, it doesn't matter. And then the last station is a place where they can ask questions. And I'm standing there at the last station answering questions. It's more relaxed. As a high school teacher, I only have 7 minutes to deliver my spiel. This turned out to be such a relaxing way to do back to school night. So this year, being in person, I was thrilled. I have it, it's ready. So right in the middle of our staff meeting telling us about back to school night, breaks hit. An email comes in apparently from the district office. We have to do virtual. So there went my whole idea, boop, out the window. So I have other ideas. I have to do virtual now. Now I do have a digital Flipbook. I've created a video on that. If you want to check it out, I'll link it in the cards. You can make your own digital Flipbook. That's one option I have. If you don't want to make your own, I also have it in my TPT store. If you want to go ahead and check it out, I'll link that as well. You can buy it, I think it was $3. So you can buy the Flipbook, add your information, and share that with the parents. That's one way. The other way I was thinking is to go through my presentation and then add QR codes to my presentation. So as I'm going through my presentation for that 7 minutes, parents can actually scan and see the syllabus or whatever the station is about, right? They can actually scan and see what they need to see, what information they need to gather there. So I'm not sure. What should I do? And for the life of me, I cannot remember what I did last year because I know it was all virtual last year. I have a total mental block about last year. I guess just 2020, I just said, bye-bye. I'm done with you. I'm back in person. Get out of here. But that's where I'm at. So what do you think I should do this year? Should I do the Flipbook? Should I do my stations but just do it in a slideshow presentation? Or I can even do my stations and just share it with the parents, the slideshow, and they can go station to station and look at it at their leisure, and I can just be there in the room, the virtual room, answering questions as parents come through. What do you think? What do you think is going to work best? Any suggestions? So let me know in the comments below. How are you going to do your back to school night? Is it virtual like me? Is it going to be in person, which is what I was hoping for? That would have been ideal. How are you doing that? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're doing your back to school night and if you have to be virtual like I do. So until next time, why don't you check out one of these videos? Bye. I'll see you next week. Step out, be uniquely wonderful you, and have a great day.